Hello, everybody. How are you? Good? I'm good too. Thank you. This is your first math lesson, and it's gonna be short lesson, just 20 minutes. And we are gonna continue with the contents in your book. I know you maybe don't have your book at home, but I'll let you know what do you need to learn with me in this video lesson. Okay, you're gonna need five things. First, you will need to use your ears. Okay, your ears for listening what I say. Okay, I speak and you listen with your ears. Can you touch your ears? Okay, then you are gonna need your eyes. Your eyes. Can you touch your eyes? Okay. Okay. Touch your eyes, and we're gonna use it, the eyes, because you will have to watch what I do. Okay. Third, we are gonna use our brain. Our brain. Where's your brain? Can you touch your brain? Okay. For think about what I say, what I mean. Okay. And then four, we are gonna need a notebook. Okay, notebook, because we are gonna write. Okay, we have activities, we have vocabulary, and we're gonna write. And finally, if we're gonna write, we need a pen. Okay, could be a pen or a pencil. These are the five things we need. Okay, so let's start with today's lesson. Okay. So let's open our notebooks. Okay, this is my notebook. Okay, I will write here notebook of teacher Sam. Okay, I cannot show you my notebook, so I will write here. Okay, in this document, and everything I write here, you must to write after me. Okay, in your own notebook. So for today, we can start writing the date. Okay, you can write after me. Date of today. I think you're gonna see this video in Monday, the 11th of January of 2021. Okay, we are already in January 2021. And then I'm gonna prepare here one, because we are gonna make one activity. Okay, one activity. So it's gonna be a word problem. Word problem. So you can write, and then we have already prepared our word problem to write. Now I'm gonna go back to the book, and I'm gonna teach you first the first lesson. After we are gonna make one word problem example together, and then I'll let you write the word problem in your notebook. Okay, I will write at the same time than you. So let's start with the lesson in the book. Well, here we are in our book. Okay, if you don't have the book, don't worry. If you have the book, you can open it and follow the lesson in the page number 30. Okay, see here, number 30. If you don't, just try to listen to me and I will explain everything for you. Okay, this time we are learning about decimal. Do you remember decimals? You must know this word already, decimals. Okay, this is a decimal, this is a decimal. We have already learned how to, what is it? Multiply decimals. We we have learned already, we can subtraction of decimals. We can do it, we have learned already. And we can add decimals, as you see here. Okay, we know how to multiply, subtract, or add. Multiplication, subtraction, or addition of decimals. But today we learn a new step forward, okay? Mixed operation. What does it mean? So a mixed operation involving decimals, it means that we have multiplications, subtractions, and additions in the same operations. Okay, in the same operation. So, for example, how do you do this operation, mixed operation? So, here we have the way to answer. Okay, we have to use brackets. Do you remember what is a bracket? Maybe there is a here we have to use brackets, and split the different operations in the number sentence. Okay, so for example, here we have 2.6 multiplied by 4. This is one operation. Okay, we can put here brackets. Minus 3.758 plus 2.36. This is another different operation. Okay, so we can put or write the brackets here. So here I have highlight some words that I want you to remember, okay, to learn. The first one is product. You see here, product. What is a product? A product is the answer of this multiplication. So when we have a multiplication and we get the answer, this is the answer, we got a product. Okay, can you repeat with me, please? Product. Then we have another word, difference. Can you repeat after me, please? Difference. The difference in math is the answer of subtraction. You see, subtraction. So when we have a subtraction, the answer, we don't say answer, we say difference. Like here, find the difference. The word that after we are gonna write in our notebook as a vocabulary is sum. Okay, sum is the answer of addition. Okay, we have an addition, and this is the answer of the addition, or the sum. Okay, the sum. Okay, this is 3 words that I want you to remember: product, difference, and sum. And now let's see one example of a mixed operation. Here we have the mixed operation. You see? Here is. We have already write the brackets. Now we have 2.6 multiplied by 4. This is inside of a bracket. Okay? Minus another bracket, 3.758 plus 2.36. So, how to develop this operation? First step, we make, or as you see here, we perform the operations in the bracket first. Okay? We first multiply 2.6 by 4. Okay, you know already how to do it. So Here we have different method. I will explain that after what is a method. You can see here clear, 2.6 multiplied by 4 equals 10.4, which is here, see, 10.4. This is the product of this multiplication. And then minus, and we have to solve this operation inside the bracket first. Okay, remember, perform the operation in the brackets first. So 3.758 plus 2.36 equals, you can see here, 6.118. Okay, here it is. So we got a final number sentence, that is 10.4, okay, minus 6.118. And when we subtract, like you see here, 10.4 minus 6.118, the answer is 4.282. See? Here is. The difference between two methods. Okay, this is another word I want you to learn. Method. Okay? Method. Here it shows two different methods. Method number one, that we are solving this operation in line. You see, in line. This is a line, okay? And the method number two is solving the operation by columns. See, columns. And we have another word that I want you to learn. Step. Okay? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step. So we have step 1, multiplication, step 2, addition, because these are the operations inside the brackets. And finally, you see the last step is the operation without brackets. Okay? And this is the final result, the final answer. So I want you to repeat with me these two words. Method. Method. Okay, very good. And step. Step. Okay. So this is how to perform the two methods to perform the mix operation. Here we have mix operation involving decimals. And the vocabulary, let's review. Product, difference ผลอะไรครับผลลบ sum ผลบวกครับ and then we have another two words method วิธีการหรือวิธีทำ and step ขั้นตอน okay so now let's go to the notebook and let's write a word problem. So here we are in our notebooks. I hope you have yours, and I want you to write after me, okay? For this word problem, we are gonna need an item list too. So first, I want you to write items list, okay? What do we have in our item list? So we have two things. One could be, for example, milk, okay? And then another thing could be, what about fish sauce, okay? And the price of these things, okay, this is price, is the milk is 1 liter, 40 baht. Let's write 39.45 baht. Okay, this is the price of the milk, and the fish sauce is 250 milliliters, 15 0.24 paths. Okay, we can just write B. This is okay. So this is the price of the items that we are going to use for the word problem. What is the word problem? So let's formulate an easy word problem. For example, teacher Sam, okay, wants to buy. Okay, I hope you know what does it mean. Teacher Sam, this is me, wants to buy. What does it mean buy? Yes, ซื้อใช่ไหมครับ wants to buy 3 cartons, or is it 3 liters of milk and 2 bottles of fish sauce in the supermarket. Okay, how much will it cost to teacher Sam in total? This is the question. Okay, so now I want you to develop this word problem. Okay, and I want you to write first a number sentence. Okay, and then you can develop the work, and finally you have to write the answer. Okay, number sentence, what does it mean? ประโยคสัญลักษณ์ work แสดงวิธีทำ and finally answer คำตอบ okay, this is a homework for you. Okay, this is homework. When you come back to the school, you have to show me. Okay, this is the daily worksheet for you. And finally, okay, I hope you understand. Teacher Sam wants to buy 3 liters of milk and 2 bottles. Okay, the bottles is 250 milliliters. Okay, 1 bottle. Okay, now you see 250 milliliters with this price. So I want to buy อยากซื้อ okay, นมกับน้ำปลากี่ขวดกี่ลิตร อันนี้ต้องมารวมกันนะครับต้องมาตั้ง mix operation. Okay, and then you write number sentence, work and answer. And finally, let's review vocabulary of today. We got how many words? For example, we got it was product. Another word was difference. Another word was some. Also method. And also step. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 words. Okay, I want you to write the meaning here. Okay, ขอให้เขียนความหมายที่นี่ที่จะไม่บอกที่จะบอกไปแล้วเนาะ and then when you come back to the school, I will check who could translate and who could not. Okay, so this is the homework for this lesson. Solve the word problem and translate the vocabulary for me. Okay, and this is the end of this lesson. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you have learned with me, and next day we'll have a new video lesson for you. So take care, stay at home, bye bye.